Welcome to our hometown. This view coming into downtown Smithfield as you cross the Pagan River was one of the things that led me and Chastity to fall in love with Smithfield, Virginia. Crossing the river, the first thing you see is Smithfield Station. It's a beautiful marina. They also have a hotel and a number of stores and a fantastic restaurant. Church Street that leads to Main Street of downtown Smithfield is littered with houses that are hundreds of years old. Sidewalks are paved with brick, and it really takes you back to the old days, not just of Smithfield, but America as well. Smithfield really is just one of those places that can just transport you in time. The old Isle of Wight courthouse dates all the way back to 1750 when it was built. There are 3 of these statues in downtown Smithfield. This one is called the Valentine Couple. The Smithfield Ice Cream Parlor is one of our favorite places to come eat and get a cold snack. They really captured the old school vibe of downtown Smithfield in this ice cream parlor. Did you notice the dog bowl full of water back there? Downtown Smithfield is very dog friendly, and you'll find these water bowls all over the sidewalks. Hayden's Lane is a secluded walkway that has many benches, garden areas, and a painted HAMTOWN pig. This used to be the driveway to Hayden Hall, an early girls' school in downtown Smithfield. The next statue we find is of Ben Franklin reading a newspaper in front of Smithfield Times. It's unclear why this statue is here. However, Smithfield was founded in 1750, so surely Ben would have had to came through here at some point. HAMTOWN Mercantile is recently opened in downtown Smithfield, and it features several boutiques that can be rented by local crafters and artisans. Taste of Smithfield is another one of our favorite restaurants. This restaurant is sponsored by the famous Smithfield Foods, where you can sample some of Smithfield's famous hams. next statue is of George Washington. He didn't make any impact per se on the town of Smithfield. However, historians did track that he was here for up to 8 hours waiting on a train one time. So why not erect a statue to the father of the nation? This red English phone booth seems a little out of place. However, it was donated to Isle of Wight County by the citizens of Isle of Wight of the United Kingdom in 1986. Finally, we've completed our journey at the Isle of Wight County Museum, which holds the world's oldest peanut and the world's oldest ham. We hope you've enjoyed our tour around our little hometown. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe and hit the alert bell so you don't miss out on anything that we do with the Moonlight Adventures. Thank you guys for watching.